Today we're going to go over a few segments. Like always, we're going to cover our past positions, updates on trades, and any new positions that we have open. So, the first one I like to go over is the Tesla 900 call that we picked up yesterday. Roughly trading about I believe we filled at 167 to 170. I went ahead this morning. We noticed it dropped down to almost 99. And then we had this crazy rally throughout the day. These option contracts are now running around 496 a piece. That's a little over 300% on our gains, and it hit a high of 525. The goal with this, my initial goal today was, or I'm sorry, when I entered the trade yesterday, was to close the position out at 100%, and then on some of the other contracts I had, I was going to wait and just see if we would go in the money, as you know, a lottery this is. So what I did is I actually closed that around 420, right about right in this range. 420, I closed out some of my contracts, and I'm still holding on to some of the other ones as runners. I did experience, a little over 300, which was awesome. 300% a contract. So that was great. We had a great day trading there. As far as the other positions we have open, Zip Recruiter, that was a newly open position. I have 148 days left on that, and we're down 20%. Not looking 100% there, but here's a chart. It looks like we're just getting messed up a little bit by the volatility. It's kind of dropping, so that's what's causing that drop there. Also, there is some low volume, low open interest on those contracts, so it's a little harder to get a good fill, as well as keeping price of where it's at and relative to the underlying stock. The next position we have is TMUS, which is T-Mobile, and I don't believe I stated that. This one was kind of a lottery, I would say, or a seasonality trade. It's not looking too great. We're down 73% on the day on that, and we have 15 days left. My strike price was 150, which is way out of the money. It was cheap, so I thought I would take the risk there. But we'll go ahead and just play that out, hold that till expiration, and see what happens there. Our next position we have is Canopy Growth, CGC. CGC had a massive sell-off today. Not looking too great. We're down 47%. We are out of the money now. We had 3 calls for August the 19th with 29 days to expiration. Not looking too hot here, but we're just going to hold on and see what happens. I wouldn't mind holding this stock and exercising if we were to expire in the money, which would be great. Okay, let's talk about our newly open position. So Twitter, I went ahead and bought a strangle on here. So I bought a call, bought a put. I went ahead and picked up the 36 put. So we're actually right about here. And this is for tomorrow. 36 put tomorrow, and I went ahead and picked up a 43 call tomorrow as well. So it looks like that doesn't make sense. It looks like we're up on both of the contracts. I would assume that's just because of the volatility going up. We're up 7% on the puts, and we're up 8% on the calls. And this expires tomorrow, so I'm expecting a drastic move in either direction. And I went ahead and I like this trade a lot, so I picked up quite a bit of contracts. I would say it is pretty risky, but you just want to make sure that your full loss on one side, so your full loss on a call side, for example, offsets the gains, or the gains that you would make on the put side would offset your losses on the call side. And that's what we're looking for there. So it looks like, $500 on the call side and $500 on the put side, you see a gain of 200%, for example. You would offset your loss, your full-on loss on the other side. So I really do like this trade. That's why I took it. And we'll see tomorrow what happens with the stock. For this to be profitable, we would need to see a massive move to either the downside or a massive move to the upside. We would completely lose out all the position if we were between 43 and 36, if we did not see a move. So that's how it works there. Not sure why they're expecting a lot of volatility here. I would say there's about a 33% chance on the call side that we would see a big move, and there's roughly a 38% on the put side that we would see a move to the downside. So we'll go ahead and wait it out. We'll see what it is. I'll give y'all an update tomorrow, and so far that's it. So we just made quite a bit of money on Tesla. That was about it today, on those little swings I got there. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.